Now, chapter number 8, your computer under attack. Computer is attacked by the virus. It is attacked by the virus, and full form of virus is vital. Vital spelling VITAL. Vital. I stands for information. I stands for information. 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 R stands for resources. Q stands for under. S stands for seal. Vital, information, resources, under, seal. Noted, everyone? Sonika, noted? Ayan, noted? Anshika, Shivdev. Okay, note down, note down. Kritika, Mehak. Last beta S. SEIGE. Seize. S. I will send you the clicky one. SEIGE. Seize. I am telling you the meaning. Beta, just note down. I will tell you the meaning of each and every word. Just note down. Noted? Now, vital. Vital means vital. Vital, which is very important. Vital information, which is very important. Usually in the computers, we are having the information which we work on, which are important for us. Whatever we type, whatever we make, they are important for us, right? Vital information resources. What are the resources? Softwares. Different types of the softwares on which we work. So they usually hang now. If virus is there, our files are unable to open. So that are resources. Under siege. Siege means it is in Hindi we can tell घेरा बंदी जिसको बोलते हैं, under jail, under custody, right? It is surrounded by unknown thing. Siege means jail. So our resources, our files. Yes, Kamal? What is siege? Siege means jail. Siege, घेरा बंदी. One person is there surrounded by unwanted person. घेरा बंदी जिसको बोलते हैं, चारों तरफ से घेर लेना. Okay, clear, Kanwar? हाँ. So siege means that our files, our resources are under attack. Some unwanted things are attacking our resources, our files, and it is under siege. Is the full form clear to everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt in the full form? Sonika, any doubt, my dear? Ayan. Vital. Vital means which are very important. Which are very important. Whatever we type, whatever we save in our computer, those are important to us, na? Like if we are making any presentation, there is presentation of 50 to 60 pages. You have make it, and suddenly virus come to your system, and your system got hanged. So your files will be disrupted. So that is vital, very important for you. Clear? Clear, Shivdev? Mehak, any doubt? Divyansh? Okay, fine. Anshika Kondal, Anshika, Achutam, Kritika, Sarika, Dhruv. Any doubt, my dear? Deepak, clear? Definition is clear to everyone? Okay. Your next topic in your book is how does a virus spread? How does a virus spread in your computer? Just take 1 minute. Think how does a virus spread in your computer, and then I will take one by one your name and then you will answer. How virus enter to our system, to our mobiles? How does virus spread? Just take 1 minute and then one by one you will answer. Just think. Whoever is ready, raise your hand and then I will start. How virus enter your computer? How virus enter your mobile? Yes, Sonika. Wait. Now what? Shivdev, wait. One by one. Sonika, speak out. Bye. Come again, my dear. सोनिका दोबारा बोलो. Storage. Overloading of storage. When lots of files are there, they will collapse with each other and virus may enter. Okay. Ayan, Ayan, opening infected files. Storage. Sonika told storage. So when there are lots of files, we don't know which file is important, which file have entered. Now Ayan is telling that by downloading the infected files. Okay. Cover from the internet. Hmm. From internet, right? By downloading the apps which we don't know, but we keep on downloading that may have the virus. Okay. Next, Mehak, infected files through email or anything, then also the virus enter. Dhruv, wait for your turn. I'm coming to you. Divyansh, how virus enter to our system? Divyansh, by opening infected emails. Done. Anshika Kondal, how virus enter to our system? Anshika, how virus enter to your system? Speak, beta. While updating the mobile, some of the files may enter through internet. Okay. Dhruv, wait, I'm coming to you. Anshika, where is Achutam? Anshika, Achutam, not there. Okay. Achutam, where is Achutam? Okay. Speak out, Achutam. How the virus enter to your system? Achutam. Okay. Dhruv, how virus enter to your system? Yes, Dhruv. Huh. Through online ads and external devices. There are some devices like floppy, internet, which are already having the virus. So when we let them plug in our system, virus enters. Okay. Anybody left? Prikshit, by opening FBs and all that where the advertisements are there. Why you switched off your video? Switch on your video. Achutam, Deepak, switch on your videos. Prikshit, Deepak, tell me how the virus enter. Achutam, how virus enter? Achutam, Prikshit, video off नहीं करनी है. While online. Prikshit, how the virus enter to our system? Hmm? Deepak, only Deepak, Prikshit. अच्छा, Prikshit नहीं है. Okay, fine. Is it clear? I'm just repeating. How does the virus spread? Even in your book, some of the points are given that how virus affected. First of all, We know that virus come from online. First point, online. Either we download the attachments from the email, either we download some app, either we download some unwanted material from the online, it enter to our system. Second point is it enter with the external devices. If that pen drive, floppies are not properly scanned, it carry the virus. When we plug into our system, that virus enter to our system. Clear? Clear everyone? I have discussed two things, full form of virus and how does a virus enter to our system. Any doubt? Any doubt, my dear? Ayan, Mehak, Divyansh, clear? Clear each and every point, Shivdev, Prikshit, Sonika, Dhruv, Achutam, Deepak, Anshika. Clear, my dear? Everything clear? Can I move to next topic? Can I move to next topic? So your next topic is types of computer virus. This listen carefully. It is a new topic to you. Maybe it will take some time for understand. Just listen carefully. If in any point you will not able to understand, just raise your hand. Twice. So your next is types of computer virus. Types of computer virus. The first virus is boot sector. BOOT, boot sector virus. First virus is boot sector. Boot, BOOT, cover, boot sector. BOOT, boot, S. Hanji, cover, come again. Yes, beta, B bat, boot, 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 SECTOR, sector. Boot sector is the first type of virus that we are going to discuss. Now it's boot. Boot means booting. How our computers start. Booting hoti hai na? When we start our system, booting is there. Everyone knows it. Booting. So booting means that virus will affect our HD, hard disk. This type of virus will affect our hard disk. It comes with infected floppy disk. Boot sector affects our hard disk and it enters to our system with infected floppy disk in which you can store the data like pen drive. In the similar way, floppy was also a storage device. The boot sector clear? Yes, my dear? Mehak, boot sector means the virus enters while booting. Booting कहाँ से होती है? Starting of the system occur from hard disk. Right, Mehak? When we start the computer, a black screen come on which white text is there. So that the files come from the hard disk. So boot sector virus attacks hard disk. Simple. Okay. And how it enters to our system? With infected floppy disk. But now we use rarely floppy disk. That's why this virus is also not shown mostly on our system. Clear? Clear? Okay. And now the example, take from boot and disk. Dekho, boot word and disk word. And the example is disk killer. First virus name of boot sector is disk killer, जो disk को मार दे, and polyboot. These two are the examples that you can learn from the name of the virus. Boot sector, polyboot, and disk killer. I will send you the pic. I will send you the pic. Clear? Next virus is macro virus. Macro, in which the recording is done. So macro usually virus attack on our application files. Application files means PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. Huh? Yes, Kamar? Floppy disk. Floppy disk. Yes. Macro virus attack on your application files. What are your application software? Word, Excel, PowerPoint. जब मैक्रो वायरस अटैक करता है तो इट अटैक योर एक्सेल वर्ड और पावर पॉइंट sometimes you have listened that my file is not opening, there is a virus. So that virus attack on your application files, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And how it comes to your system with infected app. Like you are installing Microsoft MS Office and the CD is infected. So it will enter to your system and whatever files of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, it will infect it. Clear? Ayan? Macro virus clear? Divyansh, Mehak? मैक्रो वायरस जो होता है वो जो हमारी फाइल्स होती हैं एप्लीकेशन फाइल, कौन सी एप्लीकेशन फाइल्स होती हैं? वर्ड, एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट, एमएस ऑफिस की जो फाइल्स होती हैं, नोटपैड भी हो सकता है ध्रुव, जो भी एप्लीकेशन फाइल्स हैं जिन पे हम टाइप करते हैं बेसिकली एमएस ऑफिस की, तो वो उन फाइल्स को इन्फेक्ट करता है. और ये मैक्रो वायरस आता कहाँ से है? जब हम ऐप इंस्टॉल करते हैं एमएस ऑफिस की या एमएस ऑफिस को हम अपग्रेड करते हैं, उसके थ्रू ये हमारे सिस्टम में एंटर करता है, एप्स के थ्रू ये एंटर करता है एंड इट इन्फेक्ट आवर एप्लीकेशन फाइल. नाउ इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? सोनिका, महक, शिवदेव, अच्युतम, वन बाय वन. हाँ हाँ महक. Yes, yes, yes. It infected our application file. Yes, Kamar? Infected apps or infected apps are infected. Clear? Your period is almost over. Just two left. Email virus through attachments which come and file infector when we install something. Usually when you install the games, anything, so that comes to your system. Okay? Only one topic of this chapter is left, that how we can safeguard our computer. अपने कंप्यूटर को हम बचा कैसे सकते हैं, and Trojan horse and worm. ये दो टॉपिक्स रह गए हैं, that we will discuss in our next lecture, and I will send you the Zoom recording as well as one video recording. Just go through the lesson and then I will send you the internal question. Any doubt you can message me. Okay? No doubt. Very good. Fine. Sonika. Okay, very nice. Now you can leave the meeting. Your next, I will send you the Blackboard pic. Your next lecture is going to start. Okay. Still any doubt, just call me or message me, and whatever topics left, we will discuss in our next session. Okay. Okay, my dear. Have a great day. Fine.